Make your own bird feeder. You will need 1 paper or plastic plate, a jar of honey. You could also use peanut butter or maple syrup, something that is sticky, 1 toilet paper roll, 1 bag of leftover cereal or birdseed if you have any, 1 ribbon or string, 1 Ziploc bag, and 1 plastic knife. Step 1. Pour the cereal or birdseed into your Ziploc bag and seal it tight. Step 2. Using your hands, squeeze the bag together to crush the ingredients inside. Step 3. Pour the ingredients onto your paper or plastic plate and spread evenly. Step 4. Grab the toilet paper roll and the honey. Step 5. Squeeze the honey onto the toilet paper roll. You will want enough to cover the entire roll. Step 6. Using the plastic knife, spread the honey all around the toilet paper roll. Be sure to cover the entire roll. Step 7. Carefully roll the toilet paper roll onto the plate, making sure all the cereal or birdseed gets on the roll. Step 8. Once your toilet paper roll is covered, take your ribbon or string and drop it through one end of the roll. Step 9. Grab the ribbon or string through the other end of the toilet paper roll and tie the 2 ends together. Find a place outside to hang your bird feeder. I put mine on a tree in my backyard. The most common birds found in Massachusetts are common grackles, American goldfinches, and American robins. What kind of birds have you seen? Share your creations with us by email at ostinfo.framingham.k12.ma.us. Thank you for watching.